Did you know? A Hello World program has been used universally as the first program people write when learning a new language, serving as a gentle introduction to coding basics. This simple program became famous through a 1978 book on the C programming language by Kernighan and Ricci. Hello and welcome back. In our last video, we've been building and running the C++ Hello World program. Let's take a closer look to understand each component and what it does. Our Hello World program consists of several key parts: the include directive, the main function, and the output command. Each of these plays a crucial role in the program's operation. Starting with the include directive at the very top, include IOStream. This line tells the compiler to include the standard input-output stream library before actually compiling the program. It makes functionalities like stdcin, cout, and others available in the current file of our program. We use some of those for sending Hello World string to the terminal. Now, let's talk about the next part, main function. This function is special. When you run an application, main function is the first thing being executed. That's why every C++ application needs to have one. While we're keeping it simple today, you should know that main can also manage application-level resources and handle command line arguments. Don't worry if you don't know what the function is, we'll discuss functions in later videos. Now, about std_cout hello world. This line is where our output happens. std_cout is an object in C++ that knows how to send characters to the terminal. If you were writing a hello world letter to a friend from another city, cout would be the postman. Inside main, you notice another instruction, return 0. This is very important. The return value is a way for program to communicate its execution status to the operating system. A return of 0 typically means success, while any other number can indicate an error, depending on how it's used. That wraps up our exploration of the Hello World program. Understanding these basics sets the foundation for more complex projects ahead. Stay tuned and happy coding!